industry. It is both an honor and privilege to host the special event today. On behalf of GCCI and our respective executive committee, I warmly welcome each and every one of you. Especially our honored guest, I am grateful to introduce our special guest who has joined us for this special event and has given us the privilege of hosting them. His Excellency Mr. Hazar Nadir Farhadov, Ambassador of Azerbaijan. His Excellency Mr. Yajan Kistafen, Ambassador of Kazakhstan. His Excellency Mr. Avazbek Atakhanov, Ambassador of Kyrgyzstan. His Excellency Mr. Atarjan Movlamov, Ambassador of Turkmenistan. His Excellency Mr. Sharif Zola Yusuf, Ambassador of Tajikistan. His Excellency Mr. Ali Sheikh Tuktayev, Ambassador of Uzbekistan. The Honorable Mr. President, Senior Vice President, and Vice President, Executive Committee of GCCI. We are honored to have all here for the inauguration ceremony, Azerbaijan Central Asia Trade Facilitation Desk at GCCI. Your presence shows the strong bond between our nation, and we are grateful for your support and hope this event strengthens our partnership and trade. To begin, I would like to invite Hafiz Mohsin Zubair Saab for the recitation of the Holy Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم والضحى والليل إذا سجى ودعك ربك وما قلى وللآخرة خير لك من الأولى ولسوف يعطيك ربك فترضى ألم يجدك يتيما فآوى ووجدك ضالا فهدى ووجدك عائلا فأغنى فأما اليتيم فلا تقهر وأما السائل فلا تنهر وأما بنعمة ربك فحدث صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah khair. To begin, I would like to invite Mr. Muhammad Sadiq Khan, the Honorable President of Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and Industry, to deliver the opening speech. Please welcome with a round of applause. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربي اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Our distinguished guests, His Excellency Mr. Khazar Nadar Fardov, Ambassador of Azerbaijan, His Excellency Mr. Yerzan Kistafin, Ambassador of Kazakhstan, His Excellency Mr. Awazbek Antahov, Ambassador of Kyrgyzstan, His Excellency Mr. Atajan Molvamov, Ambassador of Turkmenistan, His Excellency Sharafzada Yusuf Tur, Ambassador of Republic of Tajikistan to Pakistan, His Excellency Mr. Ali Sher Taktib, Ambassador of Uzbekistan to Pakistan, Honorable former Presidents of GCCI, Member of Executive Committee and venue member of GCCI, Honorable envoys and amendment diplomats from the Ambassador of Azerbaijan and Central Asia Republic states, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's my great privilege to welcome you all today as we gather for the inauguration of the Azerbaijan and Kars Trade Facilitation Desk at the Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Your presence here today underscores a collective commitment to enhancing trade relationship and fostering collaboration between our regions. As with the latest data, the total trade volume between Pakistan and Azerbaijan and Kars during the financial year 2023-24 is about 379.1 million. The further support of Government of Pakistan, Udan Pakistan plan, which focus heavily on boosting exports, there are significant opportunities for trade growth, particularly within the industries of Gujranwala, by improving trade agreements, strengthening infrastructure, and concentrating on key sectors. Both GCCI and Azerbaijan and Kars are well positioned for substantial growth in this year ahead. The establishment of this desk marks a pivotal step towards creating dedicated platform that will facilitate smoother and more efficient trade process. We envision the desk as a vital bridge offering valuable resources, guidance and support to business seeking to engage with Azerbaijan and Kars market together. We can explore new trade opportunities, share best practice and address any challenges that may arise. To provide you with a deeper understanding of our region, we would like to present a documentary that showcases the economic and industrial profile of Gujranwala.
Gujranwala, the land of peculiar identity and warmth, the city that is achieving Pakistan's progress and prosperity goals at a fast pace. The city that is exporting more than 150 products of worth $2.5 billion approximately to over 80 countries after attaining and maintaining world standards in just a few years. Its goods have considerably shrunk the Pakistani import bill, saving the country an annual $3 billion in form of import substitution. The growth trajectory of the city towards the industrial progress can be gauged from the fact that it has paid over 40 billion rupees tax at the Regional Tax Office Gujranwala level only this year. It has over 8,000 small and medium and 13,000 cottage industry units, contributing day and night to the national prosperity and progress. The The Gujranwala Chamber of Commerce and Industry, GCCI, is fully motivated to bring about economic stability in Gujranwala in particular and in Pakistan in general. It has been organizing Made in Gujranwala exhibitions to present different local products of unmatched standard and sophistication to the world for the last 2 decades. It wants to ensure an incessant increase in foreign exchange through the promotion of indigenous products at the local and international levels by conducting the exhibitions. The GCCI has raised the slogan My Gujranwala to help Gujranwala make a mark in the business and industrial community. The slogan has earned the status of the City of Engineering for Gujranwala. GCCI's determined march towards its goals guarantees a bright future. Gujranwala is considered as the second largest city in Pakistan with regard to SMEs due to the GCCI's continuous efforts. According to the Punjab Economic Report, Gujranwala is the fourth largest city in Punjab with regard to the spread of large-scale industry. Being a model of Prime Minister's ease of doing business vision, it has the honor of bagging 6th position according to the World Bank Report's ranking. The GCCI is offering ample job opportunities in order to eradicate poverty in Pakistan. Confirming this, a recent Punjab Directorate of Industries report has declared Gujranwala as the country's 7th largest employment provision city. Under GCCI's patronage, different member industries are producing durable quality products for exports and domestic utilization like ceramic sanitary ware, ceramic tiles, refractory bricks, pipes and fittings, sanitary fittings, bathroom accessories, light and heavy engineering, spare parts of hydro and thermal power plant, pumps and motors, machine tools and capital goods, automobile parts, agriculture implements, home appliances, tableware, cutlery, cookware, melamine and stainless steel utensils, hunting knives and swords, textiles, carpets, prayer mats and rugs, rice, seed and agro-processing, food, confectionery, plastic furniture, wood furniture, steel furniture, metal processing, hardware, steel security equipment, paper and paperboard, chemical and detergents, beauty products and cosmetics, nylon rope, steel furnace, construction goods, etc. As many as 34 Asian, 23 European, 13 African, 3 North American, 5 South American and 2 Australian countries are the destination of the products of Gujranwala's small and medium industries, showcasing GCCI's hard work and determination. The GCCI facilitates its honorable members in a variety of ways. It readily provides